Today we're going to be looking at activity 30302. Now this is a continuation of the activity that we were working on the other day. So you'll need to open up activity 30108, and with that you're going to be opening up the one that had the bed and breakfast, so the historic inns. And we're going to be working with that. We're going to be sorting, filtering, and querying for a database. Now for this activity we're going to be doing these sorts and filters and queries, and we're going to copy and paste the results from the Access database and put them onto a Word document. So you also need to have a Word document open. Now there's nothing fancy on the Word document. I've just put the identifier here for the activity we're working on, and then also have my name on there. And then it's really important that you do start numbering these, and you'll number each one of these results. So make sure you have that numbered in there as well. And so what we're going to be looking at now is the first one is we're going to do a simple sort. So we're going to sort by the B&B name in ascending order. You'll copy and paste the sorted name field to the Word document. So sorting by the name, and so let's get that open up here. So we're sorting by the name, and to do that we can go right up here into the top corner, and we can sort A to Z, or again, and you'll see that's showing that it's ascending. You know, if you forget which one it is, you can click on it and say, oh, well, it's showing descending. I'm going to go to ascending. So I'm sorting in ascending order. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this, right click, copy, and then I go back to my Word document, and I'm just going to paste that. So you can use Control V, or I like Control V because I like it to look the same as what we're doing. It's not like we're printing this out, so we don't have to get all compressed or anything like that. We can just put it right on here. So the next one is doing the same thing, same sort of thing, and we're going to be sorting by room number in field in descending order. So number of rooms in descending order, and you'll copy and paste that. So when you do that, you can just do the room numbers, or copy and paste the first two fields if you want. So I'll let you do that, and then I'm going to jump right to the third one here. So it's a complex sort. So with that, you're going to sort the secondary field first, then sort the primary field. So the primary field is rooms in ascending order. Secondary field is the names in ascending order. So we do the secondary field first. So secondary, name of the historic inn in ascending order, and then number of rooms in ascending order. And was that it? So secondary was the name in ascending order, so I did that, and then rooms in ascending order. So yep, I did that just the way it said. And so then I will just select those two and copy and paste that into the number 3 spot on here. So you'll have 1 and 2, and I'm going to 3, and then paste that one. Okay, so that's the difference between the complex sort. And now this really makes sense if you're doing like last names, or you have multiple people, so that if they have the first names different but the last name's the same, they would have the same things on here. So we look at this where we have the number of rooms where that repeats 777. We have it alphabetical over here in the name of the historic inn when we have duplicates. So that's what that complex sort is. All right, so the next one is filtering. So we'll be using the filter tools. So there's a couple different ways we can do that. So filtering which allow no pets. The easy way to do that, so the first one, allowing no pets. So we're going to go over here to pets allowed. I can just click on here. I'm going to hit select. All gets rid of that. And no pets. So I want the ones that are just showing no pets. I click that, and it's showing that's no pets. And so I can just select this one. I don't have to choose all of these. I only want to see the inns that provide no pets. And so then I will copy that and paste that onto the Word document. Right, so, and that's these all, you'll just continue doing the filter. Using the advanced filter now, that's 8. That's a little different. This is very similar to using the query, and hopefully you know how to do that, but we're going to look at that in just a second as well. But with this, you don't create a table that you will save, or an object that you will save. So with a query, you're creating that object, and it stays right on your Access database if you save it. But a filter, it's just there while you're using it. So this next one, include B&Bs that have 4 rooms available, sorted in descending order, allow both children and pets. So we go to that. We're going to set up the advanced. So advanced, we're going to clear all filters right now, but clear advanced filter sort, and you'll see it opens up down here, and then we'll click on these and it'll actually show all the fields, whereas a query, it'll only put in what you have down here. So we'll go ahead and enter the data that it says to put in there. So number 8 was looking at for our advanced filter, saying number of rooms available, or more than 4 rooms available, sorted in descending order. So I click right here and there's a drop down, so we go to descending order, and then also our children and pets allowed. So put yes for both of these, and then we toggle the filter. We're going to run that. And so this is showing that we have 3 that are available that allow pets and meet those qualifiers. So you'd copy that and paste that onto your Word document under number 8. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is going into well, you could do number 9 because it's doing the same thing, just some different conditions. Then the last 2 are queries. So the first query is going to select records that have greater than 4 rooms available, located in the city, allows children's. And then be sure the results that show or are printed are the B&B name, sorted in ascending order, and rooms available. So we will unclick those other fields that are not available. So how do we do that? So once you have that, we're going to toggle the filter. We're not going back there. We're going to create, and we're going to go to query design. And make sure you choose the right one. I have a couple listed here, but I'm choosing the one, reservation students. That's the one that's set up here. And you can see it's called query 1. And remember, we have to show what we want to have. So you can either click it here, or the video showed that you go to up here and click on it up here as well. So then rooms available, located in the city, and then also allows children. And so I need help our children understand allowed right there. All right, so then it also says we only want to see rooms available, our B&B name, and sorted in ascending order, and rooms available. So located in city, and there we don't want to see that, and rooms available, sorted in ascending order. Okay, so the name of the historic inn, we're not doing anything there. Number of rooms available, so it's the greater than 4. Located in the city, yes. And are children available? Yes. And so then we run that. And you'll see we only have the name of the inn and the number of hotel rooms available. So nothing else is showing. So then we'd copy and paste that onto and underneath, well, query 1, or you can say number 10. That'd be the next number on there. So, and then you'll do the last one as well. So follow through with those. So hopefully that helps you, and have a wonderful day.